أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So in the last few classes, we have learned some special topics. First one we learned was nawasibul ism, which make the ism mansub. Then we learned nawasibul fi'lil mudari, a bunch of words who make the al-fi'lul mudari mansub. And then we learned jawazimul fi'lil mudari, a few words that make the al-fi'lul mudari majzoom. So if you haven't memorized these three lists so far, these three lists of words, nawasibul ism, nawasibul fi'lil mudari, jawazimul fi'lil mudari, you still have time. Please memorize those lists and understand how they affect the words that come after them. Because as you learn more and more stuff, then if you don't do it now, then you will not be able to do it later because there will be more new stuff to learn. So please do it now. Today we are starting a new topic called sentence. Sentence. Sentence in Arabic is called jumla, jumlatun or jumla. And there are only two types, very simple. There are not many types, just two. The first one is a verbal sentence. We will call it jumla fi'liya. Verbal, verb fail, and verbal fi'liya. Jumla fi'liya. And the second type is called nominal sentence, jumla ismiya. Fi'liya, ismiya. Very simple. How would you know that a jumla, a sentence is fi'liya? If it starts with a fi'l, then it's fi'liya. If it starts with an ism, it's ismiya, jumla ismiya. So let's identify them. A very simple exercise. Very simple exercise. No sheen. No sheen. Can you unmute?
Noshin is a bit busy, I think. She's
Okay, you are
not
here
here.
now with us, right?
Yes.
Tell me what is a jumla fi'liya?
Jumla fi'liya are a few words which change uh, s- which these sentences start with the verb pair
I don't think you have a good
or
idea what
verb.
you're saying. What was my
The
question, Abdullah?
also sorry nominal sentences. They're nominal sentences and they start with a noun.
Okay, I repeat my question for you, Abdullah. Maybe you are not attentive. What is a jumla fi'liya?
Jumla fi'liya are verbal sentences.
How would you know a jumla is fi'liya? By looking at it. What's the indication?
They start with a fi'l.
Okay. All right. And what is jumla ismiya? How would you know a jumla or a sentence is ismiya?
Or start with an ism.
It starts with an ism. Okay. I have written in front of you on this slide, there is a jumla, a sentence. Can you tell me, is it jumla fi'liya or jumla ismiya?
Uh, it's jumla fi'liya
Why?
because the first word is a verb. Ashhada means um, I bear witness.
Hmm. Yeah, there's a typo in this. So ashhadu. Hmm?
So it's ashhadu. Yes.
Yeah. Ashhadu. Ashhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Now it is correct. So what kind of sentence it is again?
Jumla fi'liya.
Jumla failure because it is starting the fail. Shahida yashhadu, yashhaduna, tashhadu, tashhaduna, ashhadu, ashhadu, I bear witness. Good. So it's a jumla fi'liya. Good. Thank you, Abdullah. Ayan.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Next sentence. Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas.
This is Jumla Fi'liya because of Qul.
Qul is what?
Wait, no,
Is it a
no.
fail?
It's a no, it's not. Uh,
It's not a fail, huh?
no, it is. It is. Sorry, it is.
It is
It is a
fail.
fail
What kind of fail
because
it is?
uh
Is it al-madi,
no,
al-mudari,
it's Amr. It's Amr.
failul amr?
Mm-hmm.
Failul amr. So this it is a fail. So it is starting with a fail, and so what is the kind of what is its type?
Jumla Fi'liya.
Jumla fi'liya. All right. Thank you, Ayan. Thank you. Okay. We go to Anusha Haq.
Yes, assalamu
Next,
alaikum.
walaikum salam. Next sentence. What kind it is?
It is Dhalika is
No, no, no. The one above that.
above that, that is a noun, a nominal sentence.
So we have to ignore wa. Wa is a harf.
Yeah,
So when the jumla is starting with a harf, you just ignore the harf and go to the next word. So Allah. It's a
it's a pronoun. It's a
ismul
noun, sorry.
jalala. So it's a jumla ismiya, you said, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Yeah, that's correct. Can you tell me about the next one too?
The next one, Dhalika is should I like use that as like a way to like know if it's a verbal sentence or nominal sentence, or should I
That's
go to the
correct.
next
Yeah,
one?
that's the word you're gonna use. It's not
Okay.
a
Okay, Dhalika, I'm pretty sure that's a pointing verb, so it's a verbal sentence.
pointing verb, eh? Did we ever learn about pointing verbs? Is that even
Not
a
a
thing?
pointing verb. It's like a point, like you know those words that like point at something, that like oh this or that.
Yeah. So are those words fail or ism? That's the question.
Oh, those are ism.
Those are ismul ishara.
Yeah, ism sorry.
Yeah, pointers, ismul ishara. So it's the name is ism. So this is an ism. So what kind of sentence it is?
It's nominal sentence.
Nominal sentence. So very simple. If the sentence or jumla starts with the fail, it is jumla fi'liya. If it starts with an ism, jumla ismiya. Simple as that. That's the basic structure, basic way of identifying it. There will be some variations, but this is how we are defining them anyways. Okay. Everybody knows this. If you don't know this, there is a problem. This is what we learned in the first few classes. So I have just written a part of the table. You see, I have written al-failul madi, al-failul mudari, failul amr, and failul nahi. I haven't included ism in it. The table is not complete. Ismul fa'il, ismul maf'ul, and masdar. I have not included them because they are ism. I have only included fail. Al-failul madi, al-failul mudari, failul amr, and failul nahi. So there are a bunch of words in it. I have put a box behind around them, a blue box. So everything in this box, all these words, what are they? They are fail. We know that. They're all fail. But each one of them is also a jumla, a sentence. Each one of them is also a jumla at the same time. So for example, Nasara, I just took the first one. It means he helped. He helped. So he helped is actually a sentence in English. So it means Nasara whom we up till now we said it is just a fail, but actually it is not just a fail. It is actually a jumla, a sentence also, which means he helped. Okay. For a jumla to be called jumla fi'liya, it needs to have two basic things in it. Remember these two. A doer and the verb. Doer in English, in Arabic is called fa'il. So what we need is a fa'il and a fail. Once you find out these two things, when you identify these two, then you can call it a jumla fi'liya. A doer, which is a fa'il, and the fail, the verb. Fail and file. These are the two things you need to have. These are the mandatory parts of a jumla fi'liya. So if I am calling nasara a sentence, a jumla fi'liya, do I have these two things in nasara? Fail and file. Do I or I don't? That's the question. So I will ask Sister Afia to answer this question if she can. The question is, does Nasara, which is a fail, have a file in it?
Assalamu alaikum. Yes, it is hidden.
What is that?
Huwa.
Huwa. Huwa Nasara. Huwa is hidden inside it. So the he is not visible. It is inside Nasara. Huwa. Huwa is the Arabic of he. So when we look at Nasara, Nasara is not just a fail. It has a file in it as well. So it is fail wa file, fail and file, Nasara. And where is the file? File is inside it, huwa, which we cannot see. It is hidden. So once we see that this Nasara has fail, it is a fail, and the file is in it, then these are the two things that we need to have as a minimum to call a jumla fi'liya. So we do, so that's why Nasara is a jumla fi'liya. Okay, let's take another one. Ansuru. Abdullah Shwaib, what's the meaning of ansuru?
Assalamu alaikum. Ansur means I will help.
I will help. I help or I will help. Okay, I will help. What is the fail here?
The fail is
in Arabic.
Ansur.
Ansuru. Ansuru is the fail. What is the file?
Fa'il. Arabic is ansuru too.
No. What is the file?
Oh, file. I.
Or ana. We can say ana. Huh? I. So I is the file and ansuru is the fail. Ansuru means I will help. And this is a jumla fi'liya. Let's take another one. Unsuru. What's the meaning?
You all will help.
No.
You all help. You all help.
You all help. Or you all should help. Or you all please help. All these meanings are here. Unsuru. Unsuru is a fail. Do you agree?
Yes.
What is the file?
Fa'il is you all.
You all. So it is a fail which has a file in it, and therefore it is a sentence. It is a jumla, and it is called jumla fi'liya because it has only one word actually in it, and it is a fail. So it is starting with a fail. So that is why it is called jumla fi'liya. Simple is that. And all these words, in al-madi column, al-mudari column, fi'lul amr column, and fi'lul nahi column, they are all sentences actually. They are verb, they are fail, but at the same time they are a jumla, a sentence as well.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, Abdullah. So what we have learned so far? We have learned that jumla fi'liya is a jumla that starts with a fail. And there are two mandatory parts of jumla fi'liya. Both of them have to be present in the sentence. A fail and the file. They have to be in there. And it will automatically happen. Once you have a fail, it always comes with a file. Sometimes the file is inside the fail. Sometimes the file, which is a doer, is inside the fail, which was the case here. The three examples, Nasara, Ansuru, Unsuru. But sometimes it is not inside the fail. It is the outside. The file is outside the fail. And we already have discussed this. So my question is, in which situation the doer can be outside the fail? What is that situation? Where there is a possibility that the file could be outside the fail? Daniel.
When there is an ism after it and it is in مرفوع ثالث.
All right, good. Thank you, Daniel. Can you mute it now? Okay, thank you. I had another hand. It went away. Was it Shifa or someone, I think. Yeah, Shifa, can you repeat or say in your own words? The question is, what will be the situation when the file can be outside the fail?
When the inside doer is he or she.
Yeah, when the inside doer is he or she, there could be an outside doer, outside file. Where will be that outside doer? Before the file? Before the fail or after the fail?
Anywhere, after the fail.
So in these three examples here, Nasara, can Unsuru have a outside doer?
No.
Can Unsuru have an outside doer?
No.
Huh?
No.
Sorry? Yes or no?
No.
No. How about Nasara? Can Nasara have an outside doer?
Yes.
Why?
Because the inside doer is he.
Okay, I want to say Allah helped. Where I will place Allah? Over here, before or after?
After.
What will be the sentence?
So Nasarallahu.
Okay, Nasarallahu. So when when the inside doer is he or she, there could be an outside doer, outside file, which will take the place of the inside file. And the outside file will be after the fail. And it has to be in what status? Rafa status. Okay, we will talk more about this. But anyway, up till now, we have learned that the Jumla Failiya starts with a fail. And it has to have a fail and file, which is obvious, And the file, which is a doer, can be inside the fail, or sometimes it can also be outside the fail. When it is outside, it comes after the fail, and it is in Rafa status. All right. Nasara. So let's do an exercise. Can I ask Hiba for help?
Yes.
All right, Hiba.
Okay.
Nasara, what is the meaning?
He helped.
He helped. Okay, good. Okay, can you be a little loud?
He helped.
All right. I want to say he helped Khalid. Khalid is a person. Starts with Nasara.
Okay, Nasara Khalid.
Nasara Khalid. Very good. But there is a problem here, Hiba.
Okay.
The problem is there is nothing on dal, the dal of Khalid. It needs to have something on it. There are three options. I give you three options. It could be either Khalidun, or it could be Khalidin, or it could be Khalidan. Okay?
Okay.
So now you tell me what it should have. Dal.
Khalidun.
Khalidun. Nasara Khalidun. Does it mean he helped Khalid?
Yes.
What is the status of Khalidun?
Mafur.
Yeah, it's marfu, rafa. Yeah. What is the inside doer of Nasara?
He.
He. When he is the inside doer, we look for.
An outside doer.
So Khalidun could be the outside doer or no?
No. Or yes.
Yes. What's the meaning now? Nasara Khalidun.
Khalid helped.
But what I wanted was he
He
helped
helped
Khalid.
Khalid.
So Khalidun is okay or not okay? The Dhamma is okay? Dhammatain?
No.
No. So it cannot be Khalidun.
As if he had Damat, it'd be Khalid helped, not he helped Khalid.
Yeah. So what I am looking for is the sentence in Arabic which means he helped Khalid.
Khalidan.
Khalidan. But before I go to Khalidan, why it cannot be Khalidin?
Because the status is wrong.
Sorry.
The status is wrong.
Why? Why it is wrong?
It can't.
What is the status of Khalidin? Rafa, Nasab or Jar?
It's jar.
Jar. For an ism to be in jar status, what could be the reasons?
Oh, for
Two reasons only.
mudaf ilayh.
Or there is a
Jar.
jar, harf of jar before it. Are those two reasons, do those two reasons exist here?
No.
No, so we cannot say make it Khalidin. So what is the option left?
Khalidan.
Khalidan, and this is correct. And this mansoob ism over here, it has a name. It is called maf'ul, the receiver of the action. Okay, Nasara Khalidan, Hiba, is a jumla fi'liya. Can you give me its three components? Can you give me the fail, the fa'il, and maf'ul? Maf'ul is the new component we just learned.
So Nasara, it's the action, like the fail, and it has the doer inside of Nasara, and then the maf'ul is Khalidan.
Khalidan. So Nasara is fail. Huwa, which is inside Nasara, is the fa'il, and Khalidan is maf'ul. I don't think we will have time for a breakout session today. So thank you, Hiba. So by this exercise, what we have learned is the receiver of the action is in nasab status. It will be mansub and it is called maf'ul. So we have learned three terminologies or three components of a jumla fi'liya: fail, fa'il, and maf'ul. Fail, fa'il is the doer, and maf'ul is the receiver of the action. There are other reasons to be called maf'ul as well, but this is the simple definition at this time. So the maf'ul is always mansub. It is in nasab status. The maf'ul is an optional part of the jumla fi'liya. So the fail and fa'il have to be there to call it a jumla fi'liya. Without the fail and fa'il, the jumla, we cannot call it a jumla fi'liya, but maf'ul may be present or may not be present. Because nasara is a jumla fi'liya as well. It has a fail and fa'il. So it is a jumla fi'liya, no problem. In the jumla below it, we have a maf'ul as well. And what does maf'ul do? It provides additional details about the action. Like who was the receiver of the action, for example. Where the action took place. That could be also maf'ul. When the action took place. What was the intensity of the action? So the words that describe these things, like they provide additional information about the fail, they are called maf'ul. So fail, fa'il, and maf'ul. These are the three components, three basic components of a jumla fi'liya. Fail, fa'il, and maf'ul. Okay, another exercise. Ali. Ali is one of our youngest in this class. So let's see how he does. Khalaqa.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Allah, yeah, khalaqa.
Khalaqa means, I give you the meaning, Ali. He created. Khalaqa means
He created.
he created. Is it a jumla?
No, it's not a sentence.
Does it have a fail? What is the fail?
Fail, yes. Khalaqa.
Khalaq.
The
Khalaqa.
fail.
Does it have a file in it?
Yes. It's
What is
he.
the file?
He.
He. It has a fail. It is a fail. It has a file. So why it is not a jumla then?
Because it doesn't have the other parts. Like,
No, it doesn't have to have it. It is
yeah.
optional. That is optional. Okay. Maf'ul is optional. So it is a jumla. Okay, Ali? Khalaqa, he created, is a jumla. It is a sentence. Jumla fi'aliya. Okay?
Okay.
Al-arda. Arda means earth. What does it mean now?
He created the earth.
He created the earth. What is the fail?
The fail is khalaqa.
What is the file? The doer. He. What is the maf'ul?
Al-arz.
Al-arda. And that is why it is in nasab status, because it is a maf'ul. It cannot be al-ardu. It has to be al-arda. Okay. What was the translation again?
He created this. He created the earth.
He created the earth. Good job. He created the earth. Excellent. Let's modify it a bit. Okay, Ali? I moved the earth away a bit to make some space, and I inserted a word here. Translate now.
Allah created the skies and the earth. No, Allah created the earth. The earth.
Allah created
the earth.
Yeah, there is no sky here. Allah created
the earth.
The earth. Label it. What is the fail? What is
The
the file?
fail is khalaqa.
What is the file?
Allah.
What is maf'ul?
Al-arz. Da.
Okay. In this sentence, is the file inside the fail now or outside the fail?
Outside the fail.
Outside the fail. So what was the inside file before, the inside door?
He.
He. What happened to that he?
It got away.
Yeah,
Because
it's
Allah.
gone. It's gone. And what word replaced it?
Allahu.
Allahu. So Allah created the earth. In this sentence, as Ali was telling us, Khalaqa is the fail. Allahu is the file or the doer. And Al-Arda is the maf'ul. It is in nasab status because maf'ul has to be mansub in nasab status, and outside doer is in rafa status. It comes after the fail. So this is an introduction to Jumla Fi'liya. So inshallah, it's 11 o'clock now, so I don't want to take more of your time. So remember, Jumla, there are two types of sentence, Jumla Fi'liya, Jumla Ismiya. Jumla Fi'liya starts with the fail, Jumla Ismiya starts with an ism. All the fail that we have learned, Al-Madi, Al-Mudari, Failul Amr, Failul Nahi, they are a sentence at the same time. Fail and file are the mandatory parts of a Jumla Fi'liya. A maf'ul may or may not be present. If it is present, it will be in nasab status. It will be mansub. And maf'ul provides additional details about the fail. So inshallah, we will revise some of it, inshallah, next week as well. And then we will learn more about Jumla Fi'liya. Thank you for your attention.